Remember to place your cut edge against the wall and the manufacturer's cut edge to the inside. Double check your measurements. Place your silicone adhesive on the drywall. Place panel on wall and press firmly. Run a bead of color match caulk on the inside edge of the panel. Place a second panel on the wall and press firmly. Use a knife or other flat edge to raise the panel to level if needed. Lay a bead of color match caulk between the two panels. Use shims as needed to maintain level and a proper fit. Again, as in the other panel placement, put the silicone adhesive on the back wall, place the panel on the wall, and press firmly. Make sure everything lines up correctly. Lay a bead of color match caulk on the inside edge. We recommend using blue painter's tape to minimize mess and excessive oozing of the silicone caulk. Each panel must be braced properly for the silicone to cure. Consult the installation manual for the proper bracing. Please follow silicone manufacturer's instructions.